Imagine a world where robots understand your every move, helping you effortlessly as if reading your mind. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you this is not just possible but happening right now? How would it feel to have a robotic partner that reacts not just to commands, but to your physical movements and intentions? Many people think that collaborating with robots is complex and error-prone, often leading to more problems than solutions. Today, we're diving into Kawasaki's revolutionary KALEIDO 8.0, a robot that not only promises to change the way we think about human-robot interaction, but actually delivers on that promise. Seamless human-robot collaboration. Picture yourself needing to move a heavy desk. You start pushing, and alongside you is KALEIDO 8.0, cooperating as though it's known you for years. This robot is not just any helper. It's equipped with force sensors in the soles of its feet, finely attuned to every nuance of your movements. As you shift the desk, KALEIDO 8.0 is right there adjusting its balance in real time by modifying the torque in its ankles to match your pace and effort. This level of teamwork between human and machine ensures that tasks such as these are not only done more efficiently but also with a greater margin of safety. It's an exemplary demonstration of how Kawasaki is enhancing robotic capabilities to sync perfectly with human actions, transforming the collaborative workspace into an arena of seamless and intuitive interaction. Enhanced sensory integration. KALEIDO 8.0 extends its sensory capabilities beyond the basic. Kawasaki has innovatively integrated compact force sensors into the robot's elbows, expanding upon the technology used in its ankles. This advancement allows KALEIDO 8.0 to detect and respond to forces exerted along its entire arm, not just at the wrist. Such detailed sensitivity empowers the robot to handle delicate tasks and engage more robustly in complex physical work scenarios. Whether it's lifting a fragile component or participating in a task that requires meticulous force application, KALEIDO 8.0's enhanced sensory integration makes it exceptionally proficient. This capability is critical for industries where precision and safety are paramount, enabling KALEIDO 8.0 to perform with a level of dexterity and understanding previously unattainable in robotic technology. A face you can connect with. The KALEIDO 8.0 introduces a revolutionary feature in robotics with its newly designed head that includes a spherical monitor. This innovative design marks a significant shift from the traditional, often cold and impersonal appearance of robots. The spherical monitor on KALEIDO 8.0 enables it to display human-like expressions, show videos, and present text, facilitating more effective communication. Such capabilities make the robot incredibly approachable and relatable, fostering a deeper human-robot connection. It's not just about completing tasks. KALEIDO 8.0 can offer a reassuring smile or provide clear instructions with a friendly prompt, bridging the gap between digital and human interactions. This feature is especially important in environments where teamwork and interpersonal trust are crucial, such as in healthcare or customer service. By mimicking human expressions and interactions, KALEIDO 8.0 can perform roles that require empathy and understanding, making it a valuable companion in both professional settings and personal assistance. Advanced balance and autonomous movements. In the world of robotics, maintaining balance and adapting to varying environmental conditions are critical challenges. KALEIDO 8.0 addresses these with its advanced balance control system, which stands out as a pinnacle of robotic stability. This sophisticated system empowers the robot to autonomously adjust its footing in real time, ensuring stable movement across even the most challenging terrains. The inclusion of posture sensors adds another layer of precision, continuously monitoring the robot's orientation and making adjustments to its movements as necessary. This capability is vital in dynamic and unpredictable environments where precise movement is key to performing tasks effectively. Whether navigating through cluttered spaces or operating on uneven surfaces, KALEIDO 8.0 can reliably maintain its balance, enhancing its utility in a wide range of applications from industrial manufacturing floors to the intricate corridors of medical facilities. By mastering autonomous balance, KALEIDO 8.0 not only increases its operational efficiency, but also enhances safety, ensuring that its interactions with human coworkers are secure and productive. Remote control and teleoperation. Kawasaki is pioneering beyond simple manual collaboration with the development of an advanced teleoperation system for the KALEIDO 8.0 robot. This system utilizes state-of-the-art motion capture technology to enable human operators to control the robot remotely. Such capabilities are not just futuristic, they are essential for modern industries where safety and efficiency are paramount. By allowing human operators to maneuver KALEIDO 8.0 from a distance, Kawasaki ensures that tasks in hazardous or inaccessible environments can be carried out without risking human lives. Whether it's dealing with toxic chemicals, operating in extreme temperatures, or managing emergency situations where human presence could be lethal, the teleoperation system allows KALEIDO 8.0 to perform reliably and safely. This technology not only enhances the functionality of the robot, but also significantly increases the safety measures within industrial, scientific, and rescue operations. The teleoperation of KALEIDO 8.0 represents a major leap forward in robotic assistance, promoting human safety and expanding the possibilities of what robots can do in serving humanity. Hybrid operational models. In envisioning the future of robotics in the workplace, Kawasaki is developing hybrid operational models for the KALEIDO 8.0, which combine the best of both autonomous technology and human expertise. In this model, the robot handles routine, repetitive tasks independently, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and decision-intensive tasks. This not only maximizes efficiency, but also enhances job satisfaction by reducing monotonous work and allowing humans to engage in more meaningful aspects of their roles. The hybrid model is a significant step towards integrating AI more deeply into everyday industrial workflows. It demonstrates a future where robots and humans collaborate seamlessly, with each playing to their strengths. The robot's ability to learn from these interactions means that it continually evolves and improves its performance over time. This adaptability is key to creating a flexible, responsive workforce that can easily adjust to new challenges and changes in the industry. Kawasaki's approach not only boosts operational efficiency, but also acts as a catalyst for further AI advancements in the robotics field, setting a new standard for the role of machines in enhancing human capabilities at work. A glimpse at Vega, Kawasaki's general-purpose robot. Alongside the remarkable KALEIDO 8.0, Kawasaki has also introduced Vega, a versatile general-purpose robot that exemplifies adaptability and functionality. Equipped with high-payload arms and a foldable torso, Vega is engineered to tackle a wide range of tasks that demand flexibility and precision. Its unique omnidirectional base allows for smooth movement in any direction, making it an ideal choice for dynamic environments like manufacturing floors and warehouses. Vega's ability to extend up to 2.2 meters enables it to reach elevated areas, enhancing its utility in settings such as construction sites or large industrial facilities. Moreover, when not in use or when needing to be transported, Vega can fold into a compact form, simplifying logistics and storage challenges. This robot is not just a tool. It's a solution designed to meet the ever-evolving demands of modern industries, providing robust support in tasks ranging from assembly to intricate logistical operations. The future of robotics in drug discovery and beyond. The impact of Kawasaki's robotics extends far beyond simple mechanical tasks. A prime example is their collaboration with the digital supervisor biology company, In Silico, where humanoid robots are integrated into automated laboratories. These robots are instrumental in performing complex and sensitive tasks, such as cell culture management, high-throughput screening, and genomic analysis. By automating these processes, the robots significantly enhance the precision and efficiency of drug discovery workflows, reducing human error and accelerating the pace of research. This integration of robotics into biotechnology not only streamlines operations but also opens up new possibilities for innovation in pharmaceutical development. The use of robots in these settings ensures consistent and replicable results, essential for the rigorous demands of scientific research and drug approval processes. As these technologies evolve, The potential for robots like those developed by Kawasaki to transform entire industries is becoming increasingly apparent. And there you have it, a peek into the future with Kawasaki's incredible robots, KALEIDO 8.0 and Vega. If you enjoyed learning about these technological marvels, let's set a goal together. If we hit 1,000 likes on this video, I'll bring you an exclusive behind-the-scenes look at how these robots are built and tested. So, if you're curious to see more about what Kawasaki is doing to revolutionize our world with robotics, smash that like button and share this video with your friends. Let's unlock the next level of robotic innovation together for you to see.